Come and join us on our trip across the Alps, starting on Friday the 9th of June from Manchester to Milan, where we hired this rather unusual car. From there, we made the hour-and-a-half drive to our hotel in Bernina on the shores of Lake Como.
Hello.
Hello.
Fancy meeting you here.
In this place.
I know. So it's lovely. Let's just go out the door. There's our little balcony. We've got a chair and a table. And that's it. But then we've got all of this.
From there, we went into town to explore and find something nice to eat.
I do. Love you like I love you like I love you. Yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I love you like I. Nobody will love you. Yeah, love you like I do.
The following day, it was my birthday, and we decided to go ferry hopping to the triangle of beautiful towns that are Bernina, Menaggio and Bellagio. But to begin with, we had to take a ferry from our town, Bellano, to Bernina.
I do. Love you like I love you like I love you. Yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I love you like I.
We stopped for a coffee and to explore the spectacular Villa Ciprisi Botanical Gardens.
Nobody will love you, yeah, love you like I do. And nobody will treat you, yeah, treat you like I do. Whenever you need me, I'm truly madly ready to love you, yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I.
From Bernina, we headed to Menaggio.
Love you like I love you like I love you. Yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I love you like I.
Where we stopped for lunch by the side of the lake.
Like I do. and nobody will treat you, yeah, treat you like I do. Whenever you need me, I'm truly madly ready to love you, yeah, love you like I do, love you like I do.
And from there it was on to the biggest of the three towns, Bellagio.
I do. Love you like I love you like I love you, yeah, love you like I do.
Lovely little spot.
Love you like I love you like I. Nobody will love you.
That left just enough time for a delicious birthday steak and a stroll back to the hotel. The next morning, I decided to hire a kayak and explore the lake.
This is going to be funny. You need to turn around, otherwise you're going to get stuck. And I'm not going in there. Watch my fish. I've been watching them, they're keeping me company. Off you go, where are you going? Okay, have fun. Are you having fun? Is it? Is it? Bye.
Love you like I
Little dot in the distance.
love you like
Paddling away.
love you like I love you like
Having so much fun. Paul, look! You could get Paul a family of swans. They've got the two little chicks.
Afterwards, we took a short walk to the Orido di Bolano. This is a natural gorge formed over 15 million years with aerial walkways to take you right down inside the canyon.
I do. Love you like I love you like I love you, yeah, love you like I do.
From there, we took the short walk back into town for a gelato.
Love you like I.
Later in the afternoon, we took a high-speed ferry ride to the town of Como at the very far end of the lake.
I do. And nobody will treat you, yeah, treat you like I do. Whenever you need me, I'm truly madly ready to love you, yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I. I do. Love you like I love you like I love you, yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I love you like I. Nobody will love you, yeah, love you like I do. nobody will treat you, yeah, treat you like I do.
The next day we were up early to catch the train to a town called Tirano to board the Bernina Express to St. Moritz, Switzerland. Although it was a cloudy day and the view was limited at times, this was a truly spectacular train ride into the Alps. The route took us through towns and forests, alongside crystal clear lakes and rivers, and eventually, as we kept climbing, glaciers and the snow-capped peaks of the mountains. Eventually, we arrived in St. Moritz, and we set off to explore between the rain showers.
Nobody will treat you, yeah, treat you like I do. Whenever you need me, I'm truly madly ready to love you, yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I do.
All too soon, it was time to say goodbye to St. Moritz and head back into Italy.
I do. Love you like I love you like I love you, yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I love you like I.
And that brought an end to our time at Lake Como, as the following day we will be heading into Austria to Innsbruck. We'll tell you all about that in part 2.